Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to perform a Dagger high jump in Hytale. Right, let's begin by explaining what do I mean by a Dagger high jump. It basically boils down to utilizing the heavy attack with the sprint button and the spacebar. If you time it correctly by first enabling the by pressing down the heavy attack, the attack button to make a heavy attack, that is, then press the jump button and the sprint button just before your character launches themselves forward, you will get much higher velocity and height from that jump. Let me demonstrate. So, this is a normal jump attack, and this is a high jump. As you can see, I covered a lot of ground, and this is a great way for, well, vertical and horizontal mobility. So, when sprinting around and sprinting and jumping, you can also do this. Simply charge, and as you can see, you'll be able to perform those dashes and high jumps. And to just demonstrate how powerful this is, I will want to escape from this guy. Oh, yeah, not every, I cannot perform it every time, but let me demonstrate once again. So, begin charging up and then jump with the sprint button. Nope. Let me try again. So, heavy. Nope. That's too soon. Yeah, it takes a moment to get used to. But I recently discovered it while messing around in Hytale, simply jumping around. So, yeah, there we go. That's better. No, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.